Despite these explanations, the theory persists with remarkable staying power, fueled by distrust of government institutions and a deeply human desire to question official narratives. In 1969, when Neil Armstrong took his historic first steps on the lunar surface, millions watched in awe. But almost immediately, a group of skeptics began questioning whether the entire event was an elaborate fabrication orchestrated by NASA and the United States government. The theory suggests that the footage was filmed in a secret studio, possibly directed by Stanley Kubrick, who had just finished creating the visually groundbreaking film 2001, A Space Odyssey. Believers point to several supposed inconsistencies in the footage, including the American flag appearing to wave in a vacuum where no air exists, the absence of stars in the background of lunar photographs, and lighting anomalies that seem inconsistent with a single light source like the sun. NASA has addressed each of these points with scientific explanations. The flag had a horizontal rod sewn into it to keep it extended, and it moved because of the physical force applied when planting it. Stars were invisible because the camera exposure settings were adjusted for the bright lunar surface. The far side of the moon, often mistakenly called the dark side, has long been a breeding ground for extraordinary speculation. Because this portion of the moon never faces Earth due to tidal locking, conspiracy theorists argue that it serves as a hidden base for extraterrestrial civilizations or even secret human operations. Some theories claim that NASA astronauts encountered alien structures during the Apollo missions and were warned away from certain lunar regions. Former NASA employees and amateur radio operators have claimed to have intercepted transmissions, suggesting that astronauts witnessed unidentified objects during their missions. While these claims remain unverified, the mystery surrounding the far side of the moon deepens with every new discovery. China's Chang'e 4 mission, which successfully landed on the far side in 2019, revealed a massive underground structure of unknown origin beneath the surface, reigniting speculation about what truly lies hidden from our view. Scientists attribute this anomaly to ancient volcanic activity, but theorists insist the explanation feels conveniently simple for something so structurally unusual. Deep within the outer reaches of our solar system, conspiracy theorists believe a rogue planet known as Nibiru or Planet X is hurtling toward Earth on a catastrophic collision course. This theory, originally proposed by author Zecharia Sitchin, based on his interpretations of ancient Sumerian texts, suggests that Nibiru is home to an advanced alien race called the Anunnaki, who visited Earth thousands of years ago and genetically engineered humanity. The conspiracy layer comes in when theorists claim that world governments and space agencies are fully aware of Nibiru's approach, but are deliberately concealing this information to prevent mass panic. Every predicted date of arrival has passed without incident, yet the theory continuously reinvents itself with new timelines and updated predictions. Interestingly, astronomers have genuinely proposed the existence of a theoretical Planet 9 in the outer solar system based on gravitational anomalies affecting distant objects. This legitimate scientific hypothesis has been seized upon by conspiracy communities as confirmation that something massive and undisclosed is indeed lurking beyond Neptune, blurring the line between real astronomical inquiry and speculative fear. One of the oldest and most enduring space-adjacent conspiracy theories involves the idea that Earth itself is hollow and inhabited by an advanced civilization living beneath the surface. Some versions of this theory extend into space, suggesting that all planets and moons are hollow structures, either naturally formed or artificially constructed by ancient alien architects. Proponents point to polar openings at the North and South Poles as entry points to this inner world, and some claim that certain governments have secret access to these underground realms. Admiral Richard Byrd's Antarctic expeditions in the 1940s are frequently cited as evidence, with theorists claiming his journals describe encounters with a warm, lush inner world. His actual journals contain no such descriptions, but the myth persists. The theory connects to broader space conspiracies through the idea that UFOs do not come from distant star systems, but instead emerge from within our own planet, traveling through subterranean tunnels and launching from hidden polar openings into the atmosphere above. Perhaps the most philosophically unsettling space conspiracy theory is the idea that our entire universe is a simulated construct, and that certain cosmic phenomena are being deliberately hidden or altered by whoever controls the simulation. This theory draws from legitimate scientific discussions about simulation theory, including arguments made by philosophers and physicists who suggest the mathematical nature of the universe points toward a programmed reality. Conspiracy theorists take this further, arguing that anomalies in space, such as the mysterious dimming of Tabby's star, fast radio bursts of unknown origin, and the inexplicable smoothness of the cosmic microwave background radiation, are evidence of glitches or deliberate censorship within the simulation. Some theorists believe that space agencies are complicit in hiding these anomalies because acknowledging them would destabilize society's understanding of reality itself. The Fermi Paradox, which questions why we have not detected signs of intelligent life despite the statistical likelihood of its existence, is reframed in this context as evidence that the simulation has boundaries, walls beyond which no signal can pass, because nothing actually exists there. What makes this theory so compelling is that it cannot be entirely dismissed. Some of the greatest scientific minds of our time have entertained the possibility that reality as we perceive it may not be what it truly is. Whether these space mysteries represent natural phenomena waiting to be understood, evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence, or something far stranger and more fundamental, they remind us that the universe holds secrets we have barely begun to uncover. The darkness between the stars is not empty. It is full of questions.